Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put the x go to the right, y squared plus 4 go to the left. Next, we divide both sides by x. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now, I will concentrate about this one first. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to y squared plus 4. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2y dy. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. So y squared plus 4 we change by u. 8y we put into number 2 and number 4 in here. So 2y dy we change by du. So that should be like this. The integration of du over u, we have 4 ln of the absolute value of u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about y squared plus 4. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. This one, we have ln of the absolute value of x, and I will put about c. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.